Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to delete undeletable file and folder in Windows PC. I'm not going to use any software or any app. You can easily delete by command prompt. So I want to delete this folder on the desktop, my work. Okay. So right click on the start and then click on command prompt. Here you need to type a simple code. Okay. The code is cd /space /d. Now copy the file location. Just right click on your folder or file, then go to property. Here simply copy this location. Okay, copy and then close this and paste here. Give the space and paste, hit enter. That's it. Now type dri space /x and hit enter. Here find your directory name. Here you can see my work /1. So here type the name. To remove this folder, just type mdri space /q space /s space. Now here type my work. Here you can see directory my work. You need to type this one, my work -1. And now when I hit enter, this folder will automatically delete. Let's see. Boom, it's gone. As you can see, the folder is gone. So this is the easiest way to delete and delete a deletable folder and file in Windows PC. If you are getting error like this one, folder in use, that's mean a simple thing is your folder or file in use is open in your PC. So just close the file and folder and then try to delete this. It will delete. This is not a major problem. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.